Or this time at the quick speed shop, I'm out in the back, I'm in the snow, it's cold out. I'm trying to fire up my old Arctic Cat Lynx snowmobile. Thing's been sitting for 5 years out here derelict. Is it gonna fire up? We're gonna find out right now. I'm a professional, don't try this at home. Well, here I am out in the back of the back area of the quick speed shop, and I was out here the other day looking for bumpers for my 40 Mercury project, and I remembered that I got an old snowmobile buried out here, and there's 1.5 foot of snow on the ground. It's going to be that way for a little while, so I think we're going to try to fire that sucker up. It's a 1974 Arctic Cat Lynx, Lynx 2 I think it is. It's got a 340 fan-cooled engine. It's over here, it's buried under a bunch of junk. Let's dig her on out. Look at this. Ooh, boy. Yeah, definitely wasn't doing her any favors stored up on these tarps. Got a little bit of a corrosion up here on the aluminum. See if she pulls over. Oh yeah. There we go. See any mice nests in the fan coil unit? Oh, she got some old gas down in there. This ran when I put it away, I know it did. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the air box off. We'll take a look. I got some spray. I think we'll put some spray on down in her, just give her a whirl, see if she wants to go. Okay, I got the air box off here. You can see the carburetor here working. Ooh, this fuel line is looking not looking real good. That's going to need to be replaced. We're going to go ahead and give her a with some juice down to the carburetor. Now all my electrics are shot here. The kill switch doesn't work. I've got a toggle switch on and off. I think that's off. I think that's on. I just wired up to make her run last time. So I'm going to go ahead and give it down in there, and we're going to pull her and see what happens. So you watch here from the tank. I didn't have any juice. I got some brake clean. Let's see if she'll fire on that. Oh, she's pumping fuel already. I see it. Let's go ahead and give her some choke. Try to switch the other way. Go over, give another some more juice. Oh, there she goes. Hot damn. Give her some more juice. Come on, baby. Try choke. Oh. Come on, baby. I'm tired of pulling already. Yeah. Man, that fuel is nasty. Give her a shot up right up here. Shot of juice. I think it's sucking because it pulled some out of the tank. Not in the snowmobile shape out here. She wants to go. I'm gonna keep juicing her and tugging on her. Hopefully I can get her running a little bit better here. See if we pull on out. I see it's trying to suck fuel. The fuel's real old. Seems like it wants to go. So I'm gonna keep juicing her and tugging on her. That's what she said. And see if I can make her go. She's idling. I still can't believe it. She fired right up. She's a ripper. Got my 70s helmet here. Let's see if I can stick this on still. I'm gonna go out and ride this thing around. Oh. How do I look? I'm pure 1970s snowmobile right now. Well, there we go. We got the old sled running. I'm going to go out and bang some ditches in this thing right around. You guys have fun. Come on back to the Quick Speed Shop. We'll see you next time. New videos every Wednesday to Saturday. Bam! Tell you what, there's nothing like banging around in the field in the yard in an old sled with no electric, no brakes, no seat. Ride around in the aluminum, fall off, dump her in the snow, have a quit. Whew! I'm out of snowmobile shape, man. I'm all wore out. Where's my... That's the aerobics for the day. And you're not a real snowmobiler unless you use an open face helmet too. That's a tip for you for the Quick Speed Shop. Anyways, that was fun. I can clean up the airbox. I'll get that back on. I'm going to mix up some new fuel. This thing's got like 5-year-old fuel in it. I'll run that out of it and run some new fuel through her. Maybe replace a fuel line because that looks kind of nasty. But other than that, she's a ripper. Had no problem with her out running around here. The only problem I had with the sled last time is the coil or something's getting weak, and once it gets warm, it breaks down and it quits till it cools down. I didn't ride it long enough to do that this time, but I'm just out here having fun. I got to put the seat on it because I smashed my knees all up. I'm like all sore, and the aluminum's slippery. But I can't believe she fired up after sitting there all derelict like that, and had some old fun with the Lynx too. So in the future, I'm going to be doing a little content on the sled. I'm going to try to build like a muscle sled out of it, just like looks, more like hot rodding it, dual exhaust, a big mouth hood and stuff. So stay tuned for that sometime. I don't know when that's going to be, but probably before next winter. Hang the pipes out the hood, all that cool stuff. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna go take a sit down and take a rest now. We'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.